What's up guys? Today we're taking these boring doors and turning them into these awesome custom doors. First things first, let's get rid of these old things. The first step in this process is going to be ripping down our 3/4 inch plywood into our door slab size. Once we have our plywood cut to size, we're going to trim it out to create the 2 pockets where our mirrors will sit. Now that our door is trimmed out, we're going to go back with some wood filler. We're going to fill the sides for a smooth finish as well as any nail holes we see. Once dried, be sure to sand for a smooth finish. I decided to use this opportunity to paint the door without the mirrors being installed. You could do it after if you'd like. I found this to be much easier. Now that the door was created and painted, it was time to cut some mirrors to install. I have a whole video on this process if you're interested in finding out more. The installation of the mirrors, I used an extremely strong liquid nails that's meant to be used for installation of mirrors on walls. With the doors complete, it was time to install the new hardware and hang them up. I didn't like the gap that was left between the top of the door frame and the door, so my wife and I created this valance out of some trim for a seamless finish. Alright guys, that's all there is to these custom closet doors. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more.